Yo, what's good, Pulse family? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be focusing on the new sound pack that I came out with. It's called the Movement 2, Melodics Revenge. Yeah, I like how it sounds. I'm gonna go through the sounds. I'm gonna go through some, standard presets that I made for this. And I promise you, you guys gonna wanna get this kit, all right? Y'all keep it locked, stay tuned. All right, so as you see on the website, you go to pulsemusicgroup.infinity.airbit.com and you go to the sound kit section and just check out the Movement 2 sound kit. There are some samples that I put up in it, so I'm gonna play the samples real quick so that you guys can check out some of the potential, what you can do with this pack. So as you see, the whole entire kit was used in this. There were all sounds from this kit, so I guarantee you guys gonna love this one. So let's go over the description of what we got in it. There are over 150 one-shots. There are 35 melodic loops, 10 construction kits with stems, and 10 full drum loops that you guys can use with percussions. They're all 100% royalty-free, and you can use them for any DAW. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys gonna do with this. I know that there's so much potential from the first one that you guys was excited with, so I wanted to come a little bit different on this one. I wanted to focus more on like the melodic instrument sounds of just having better melodies and just showing the growth of where I came from, because when I did the first movement, that one was like a collection of stuff that I've done over the years. This one shows more of the potential growth of how I've gotten better at doing my melodies, and I'm going to prove that to you right now as we go through some of the melodic sounds. So let's check them out. All right, so now that was from the melodics. Let's go through a couple of the constructions. Like I said, you have 10 construction kits with stems in them. They're gonna work out in anything that you do. And the good thing is with this is I give you the BPM and I give you the key to descent. So this one is called Deeper. Let's check it out. This next one's called Distant Lover. I'm gonna do probably one more. So this one's called Encounter. Check it out. As you see, you guys have so much potential in working with these. I know that you guys can probably chop these up, do some fantastic things with them. So please make sure, again, go to the link in the description so that you guys can cop this. It's available now, and guess what? It's only $20. Hope you guys can go and cop this and support your boy and just have a field day with this. There are going to be some new things that's coming down the pike, and you know, I just want you guys to stay tuned for what's coming because we got a lot of crazy things that's happening. All right. Before I go, I want to make sure that I shout out my fam. I follow a group called Empire Collective. They support your boy, so I'm really grateful. I wanted to make sure that I shouted them out this time because I promised them that I was going to do it in the last one. If you guys want to follow them, please make sure that you go to Discord and follow the Empire group. I'll leave their link in the description. So again, just make sure that you guys are following everything we're doing because we got a lot going on. So if you guys like videos like this, stay tuned. We got plenty more. All right. You guys already know who it is. It's your boy Thesis. Till the next video. Peace.